for this top, I'll give you an example of what I would layer underneath. You could do tights over your leggings. Like, you actually don't need to look like you're drowning in a humongous jacket, you know, where you're like, I feel like Carrie Bradshaw when I'm wearing one, so why wouldn't I?
Calling in all divas, it's time to glitter up your day with Simonalisa.
Hello angels, it's freezing over here, so I thought today we would do a video on how to layer for winter. I'm probably just going to throw in fall/winter because you gotta layer anyways, so you could take parts of this video for fall and parts for winter, you know? Now, starting with the base, I love wearing layered long sleeve knits under tank tops. So for this top, I'll give you an example of what I would layer underneath. Okay, I'm going to try layering this top under my tank top right now. When it comes to layering tops, there's a lot you could do. Here I'm layering a tank top over a long sleeve, but you could do the other way around where you put a long sleeve over a tank top. I feel like we see that pretty commonly. If anything, that's more common than what I'm doing here. But it looks so cute, especially when you have like a lace tank top and the lace is peeking out, especially when it's peeking out from under the long sleeve. I'm going to try out a different top to layer underneath just because I don't really like the purple on purple. I don't know why I grabbed the purple long sleeve in the first place. That actually was pretty atrocious. It looks best when you have a more contrasting long sleeve under your tank top. So that's what I recommend, and you could go for any colors. I kind of was boring here and went for a black long sleeve top. I just really like how this looks under tank tops because of the neckline, because it's so open. Here's what we have so far. I think I'm happy with this. Now, next part for layering is the bottom half of the outfit. So far, I'm pretty much good to go. I have a skirt over a pair of leggings. You could do tights over your leggings. You could do leggings over leggings. If you live somewhere a bit warmer, you could stick to just tights. For me, for how cold it is here, I'm just going to stick to these leggings, but I will be adding leg warmers on. For leg warmers and arm warmers, I always thrift mine or I make them myself. You guys can't really see the leg warmers, but here's a little peek. They're just brown ones. Now we're going to move on to arm warmers. I love arm warmers. I'm going to be wearing these little pink ones, but you could wear whatever you want. If you don't want to do arm warmers, you could also do gloves, but I'm an arm warmers girl, so that's what I usually go with. I should have a crafting video out a little bit after this video comes out, but do let me know if you guys want to see more videos about knitting. I could take you guys through the process of making something. Now, this part for me is super crucial. My ears, they start hurting when it gets really cold, so I need to have earmuffs or like a scarf wrapped around my head. Another option you could do that I don't usually go for is a hat, like kind of a beanie or something like that. I just personally don't wear those, so you could do you, but there's a lot of options. For earmuffs, you could try a bunch of different ones. There's fluffy ones, knit ones. Oh my god, this is looking so cute so far. Now remember, depending on the weather where you're at, you could stop anywhere. I know for some people, their winters, they can go like this, and they'll be just fine. But this ain't winter for me, so we're gonna proceed. I kind of wish I could dress like this for winter. It's okay though, because I really love cute jackets, which we are gonna get to soon. Now, for the next part, we're gonna put a scarf on. I'm going with this one. It's one of my go-tos. It's like a purple gingham one, and it's just perfect. I feel like it goes with most of my outfits. It definitely goes with this one. Scarves are definitely one of my favorite accessories. You could get them in different colors and patterns, and they really uplift your outfit. I'm loving this. Oh my god, this is so cute. See how even though you have to layer for the cold, you can still look cute. Like, you actually don't need to look like you're drowning in a humongous jacket, you know, where you're like, like, you really could make it cute. And if anything, layering for the cold seasons, it can also uplift your outfit, which I feel like it has done for me. If you don't have earmuffs, another alternative is wearing your scarf wrapped around your head. I'll show you how I do that. I don't always have earmuffs on me. Sometimes I resort to just scarf. Throughout the day, if it gets windier or colder, then I could just use my scarf and wrap it around. So this is also an option in case your ears are like me and they hurt in the cold. I ran out of storage here, so you can't really see how I wrapped the scarf, but you can kind of get the gist. This is just great. I feel like it's kind of fashionable and it keeps you warm. I just love this for the winter. Usually I'm walking out like this. I usually don't have earmuffs on me, so this is a great alternative. Okay, we're gonna go back to the earmuffs for this look though. I want to know for this look if you guys prefer the earmuffs or the scarf wrapped around my head. Now it's time to pick a jacket. I'm gonna go for a fur one. I usually go for faux fur. because I just feel like it makes me look rich, and I love tricking people into thinking I'm rich. It's kind of fun. Maybe they see right through my bullshit though, I don't know. Either way, it's cute and it's fun, especially because I'm like 5'2" and I look like a kid, even though I'm 21. So I just feel like the jacket adds pizzazz, and sometimes I feel like Carrie Bradshaw when I'm wearing one. So why wouldn't I? This is the jacket I'm going with. I love fur coats. In my opinion, they uplift every single outfit. This is one of my favorite jackets I own. I love it so much. I'm gonna go grab my favorite pair of boots. I usually gravitate towards this pair because they keep my feet really warm, but they're also high enough boots where they also cover my legs up a little bit. And I love the pom-pom balls. I love the fluffiness. They're just so cute. It gets pretty cold and snowy where I live, so I gravitate towards wearing mukluks for most of winter. You guys can't really see the boots, so let me give you a little sneak peek. And this is the full layered outfit. Of course, before walking out, I'd grab a purse, but we're just talking about warmth right now, so I'm not gonna do that. The purse I did go with today is that purple one I always wear, and this is how I went outside. So it's like I'll just do a video. Actually, no, sorry, I wasn't wearing the earmuffs because it wasn't as cold, so I just had the scarf. Hope this video was helpful. I could totally do a part 2. I love layering. If anything, part 2 would probably just be the same layering techniques, but I would use different items. We could just do styling outfits for winter. That'd be fun. But I guess this is a good base video just for like how to layer. If you guys do want to see a video where I style multiple winter outfits and layer in multiple different ways, I could totally do that. And you guys could see some more of my jackets. This one is one of my favorites, but I love my jackets and I feel like they just like haven't been in any of my videos. And they should be. So let me know if you want to see that. Also, let me know what stage of layering was the one where you would like stop there based on where you live and how cold it is. Obviously, for me, I would end here. I could probably layer more, but I just don't think I could layer more from where I'm at where it wouldn't look silly. But if you guys can layer past this point, let me know how you would do that. So thanks for watching, angels. Love you guys, and make sure you leave some glitter everywhere you go. Mwah!